we're leaning into artificial intelligence in a very big way. And I think nearly 3 years ago, we came out with our first AI policy for the state government. We've revised that a couple of times since then. We're focused on a number of different things with artificial intelligence, and we've rolled out Google Gemini for all of our state employees, and we're seeing something like half of state employees use that every month. And not only is the number of people using it increasing, but the amount per person that people are using it is increasing. And we've done surveys of our Google Gemini users, and we found that based on their surveys, and we take survey productivity savings with a bit of an asterisk, and but still, what they're telling us is they're saving over 60,000 hours a month of productivity with this tools. Well, that amounts to over 700,000 hours of productivity gains per year. That's substantial. And people really are getting tremendous value out of these tools. Now, that's just one aspect of artificial intelligence. We're leaning in heavily with the development tools for our development teams, things like Claude Code and Gemini and GitHub Copilot. And so we want to make our developers more productive. We're looking at chat bots. The thing is it's still early days, and the landscape is changing quickly. And one of the things we need is, or one of the things I believe we're going to see is artificial intelligence beginning to change business processes. And I would just note, for example, we spent the last 30 plus years building software products with a user interface with the assumption that that user is a human. Well, how does that change if the user is not a human, but is an AI bot? Well, we need to think about that. How is that going to change our business process with the functions of state government? Getting social services, getting a fishing license, renewing your driver's license, registering a vehicle. All of the functions of state government that we do are likely to start changing as artificial intelligence changes the business process associated with that.